Good day, Professor Fisher and fellow students of Earth 10. Today, you will watch 3 of your classmates attempt to get an A on their final homework assignment. They will do so by using the materials given to them in a mystery basket to create dishes that resemble one of the 3 rock types: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. However, today we do not have 1,000 years to watch those rocks form, so they will have only 20 minutes to create their dishes and discover who gets chopped.
Semi-sweet milk chocolate chips that will be representing one kind of rock, and we have white chocolate chips that will be representing the second type of rock.
At first, we are starting with 2 individual rocks, or chocolate chips, that have not melted yet. They will represent our extrusive igneous rocks. Each chip can represent different minerals in a rock. During the process of creating melt, you can still see the different compositions of the chocolate chips. As they're exposed to more heat and higher heat, they completely melt and form a new composition. Now let's imagine the action of pouring the melted chocolate onto the cookie sheet as magma, reaching the Earth's surface and becoming lava. Then it begins its process of cooling. As the melted chocolate cools, it hardens and has now become a new chocolate and a new form. No longer being chocolate chips of individual flavors, but now one chocolate bar made up of both flavors. I really like cashews, so let's pretend the cashews represent maybe some sediment deposits that just happen to fall into our newly made igneous rock.
Okay, ingredient 1. Is this a joke? It has a bite taken out of it? No? Okay. This is ingredient 1. It's a cupcake with a bite taken out of it. Then we have some chocolate chips and a stick. Okay. And the rock type that I received is metamorphic. With a little work, this caterpillar can turn into a butterfly. We got this, okay? I think I'm going to make cake pops. Alright, so fun thing about metamorphic rocks is that they form when they're under a lot of heat and pressure. So I'm just gonna apply some pressure to our first ingredient. Did you know that metamorphic rocks need to go to temperatures higher than 200 degrees Celsius to undergo metamorphosis? This is the exact essence of a metamorphic rock because we took it from this stuff, which is melted chocolate chips, a bitten cupcake, and an error, and we turned it into this. And a metamorphic rock is really an igneous rock, a sedimentary rock, even another metamorphic rock that turns into something completely different, and that's really the beauty of it. And I think nothing really encapsulates that like this dish.
So today I made orange cardamom pistachio layer cake, which represents a sedimentary rock because you can see the distinct layers, and the bottom cake, which is an orange cake, has fine, well-sorted grains of orange zest, and the top has less well-sorted but still fairly small grains of cardamom and pistachio.
Right, now that you have reviewed all of the students' dishes, we have decided to leave this very special episode of Chops Decisions up to the viewer. That's right, you get to decide who gets chopped and who had the best dish. We hope that you decide fairly, and we hope that you enjoyed our project. Thank you.